Good evening, good people. This is Keisha over here at Sky's Limit Credit Consultants, just giving you a few tips on how to keep and maintain good credit. First thing you want to do is pay your bills on time. Paying your bills on time reflects a big percentage on your credit report as far as your payment history. You want to pay off your debt. Like, basically by paying off your debt, like any debt that you owe, you can pay it off. Or if you have a high debt balance, bring it down. You want to bring it down. You want to keep your credit card balance low. You want to keep it under the utilization rate, which is 30%. You definitely want to do that. I'd always tell my clients to try to keep it at least about 15%, so that you'll have that 15% wiggle room. And you don't want to apply for credit often, because them inquiries, you shouldn't have more than 5 inquiries listed in a 2 year span. So those inquiries do make you, it makes you look desperate when you're constantly applying for credit. So you don't want to apply for credit often. You'll get denied for having too many inquiries, because it makes you look desperate for credit. And another thing, you want to check your credit report regularly. You want to check your credit report every day if you can, um, or just often. Check your credit report often, once a week. Credit Karma is not 100% accurate, but it's somewhat accurate. Credit Karma, it update every week to let you know what's going on with your credit, if something changed, and things of that nature. So you want to check your credit report regularly to see if anything was added, to see your balances or whatever, whatever the case may be. Just check your credit report. Like I said, this Keisha over here, Sky's the Limit Credit Consultants. If you need me, get with me. I can be reached at 267-608-3889, and you can also go on my website, skysthelimitcredit.com, and schedule a consultation.